So with all the wind that we've seen over the last week, I thought it would be a really good time to talk a little bit about wind power and wind turbines and how the turbines can actually get power from the wind. So most of us realise that wind power is variable. Some weeks it's really windy, some weeks you might not get very much wind, and you may get weeks where there's no wind at all, and that's just weather. So I'd like to share three things to help you think about and understand the relationship between the wind and the power that's generated. So the first thing to think about is that power from the wind is proportional to the swept area of a turbine blade. And because we know that area is proportional to the radius squared, that means that the power from the wind is proportional to the rotor size squared. So that means that if you double the rotor size, you'll get 4 times as much power. And if you triple the rotor size, you'll get 9 times as much power. So bigger is better. The second point I'd like to make is that power is proportional to the speed of the wind cubed. So this is a really big factor. So if the wind speed doubles, you get 8 times the amount of power. And if the wind speed triples, you get 27 times the amount of power. So the third thing really is that when you combine the impact that larger blades has on the power you can generate and the effect that the wind speed has on the power, this means that to get the really serious wind power from turbines, they generally need to be higher to catch the more constant wind, and they need to be much, much bigger. And this is why we see the trend towards much, much bigger, taller turbines that are able to get into the 14, 15 megawatt size. And to help people understand these relationships, you can see that we've got a small calculator here, and this will help to estimate as you make the blade radius bigger and as you make turbines higher, this will predict the power output. It's just an estimation, and you can also see as the wind goes up what a huge effect that has. So if you like the calculator, come and check it out on our platform, or if you're somebody that's interested in embedding the calculator in your own website, give us a shout. Okay, thank you.